Hello my healthy people, welcome back to Maxinescorner. Veganuary day 3 coming at you. All right, but before I get started, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And subscription doesn't mean anything if you don't hit that bell so you can get your notifications. So go ahead and hit the bell so you can get your notifications. Veganuary day 3, let's get started. I want to know how you're doing on your journey so far. I know it's only day 3, but it can be difficult. Leave a comment down below and let me know how you're doing on your journey so far. What I'm talking about today is some vegan staples that I have, and I want to show you, you may want to have, and everything that I have in this video will be in the description box. You can purchase it if you want to, or you can also purchase it from your health food store as well. Okay, so with that being said, I have all my products down here, so let's get started with my all-time favorite. This is one of my favorite products to use. This is Garden of Life raw organic meal. And I use this for shakes sometimes when I'm on the run and I want to just run out the house and I don't have a lot of time to make something, especially if I didn't prep in advance. And I also use this if I'm making pancakes. I use it in smoothies, like I said, and I use it in many different things. So I like this as well. Like I said, everything that I'm using and everything that I'm showing you is going to be in the description box, so you can go ahead and purchase as well if you choose to do so, or you can go to your local health food store and purchase it as well. Okay, and another thing that every vegan should have is this. Yes, I got this at Trader Joe's, and this is raw whole cashew. And I did a video, my last video, day 2 Veganuary, making a cashew cream. I will link that up above so you can check it out if you missed it. And I use this for, listen, as a vegan, you can use this in salad. You can use this as to make dips, to make sauce, everything, you name it. This is why this is staple for you as a vegan. And you get your protein as well here, okay? The next thing I have here is, which as you may see is almost done because I use this so much, Flax Meal. So what I love about this is, as it says, this I got from Trader Joe's. It is gluten-free, and what I love about it, look at the ingredients, it's just straight ground flax seeds. So when I'm baking and I want to make eggs and I don't have time to ground up the flax seeds, I pretty much use this. All right, so this is what I use. It's already grounded for me. I use it in oatmeal as well. I just sprinkle it on top of my food, packed full of fiber, and it's great for your gut enzymes as well. Okay, another product I have here is my Nutritional Yeast. Every vegan should and must have this because this is a cheese alternative. If you're making anything that requires cheese, you can use this instead, and I absolutely love it. It's packed full of vitamin B, and it says here also includes vitamin B12, so this is a part of your vitamin B12 as well. I also did a video talking about vitamin B12s and different ways that you can get them as well. I will also link that above and you can check that out as well. All right, so yes, coconut oil spray. You know that you have to have your coconut oil spray, okay? And this is also from Trader Joe's. I feel like I'm doing a Trader Joe's haul, but I'm not. I do shop at Trader Joe's a lot, but this is also from Trader Joe's. But you can get your coconut oil spray wherever you shop. They should have it there as well. You can use this for whatever you're cooking, baking, sauteing. This is perfect. It would help whatever you're cooking not to stick to the pan, okay? And we also have our cacao powder, and this is absolutely great. It's no GMO, it's completely raw, it's vegan, and it is gluten free. I use this for baking, for cooking. It is perfect. I especially love it when I am baking. I am about to make some black bean brownies, and you're going to love them with this particular cacao powder here. It's 100% cocoa powder, and it's not processed, okay? Next thing is my Spelt Flour. As you may see, I use this a lot as well as coconut flour, Spelt Flour. Absolutely love these. And by the way, by far, there's so many different things that you're gonna need as well as a vegan, but this is just some of the stuff that you can start off with. Coconut milk also is essential for a vegan to have as well. So I have what I love about this is this whole grain, and it's stone ground. So whole grain, perfect, and I absolutely love it. Like I said, it's almost finished. I use this to make muffins, cookies, bacon, pancakes, anything. You can use Spelt Flour. Absolutely delicious. So what I love about dates is that these are the organic dates. I got this actually in Costco, and I absolutely love using it for baking and for sweetening some foods as well. So this is what I love about it. And if I just want a little snack, I love this because it's all natural, no added sugar. Last but not least, and like I said, guys, these are products that I am using. So as you may see, the package is pretty much empty, okay? So my Psyllium Husk, you must have your Psyllium Husk. It is great for your gut enzymes. It's great to lower your cholesterol. It's packed full of fiber. It would also help your blood sugar as well. So I love to take this just sometimes once a week, depends on what I eat. If I feel like I ate something that wasn't too good. If you're having issues going to the bathroom, fiber is good, and this is pure Psyllium Husk. Okay, this is pure Psyllium Husk. Help to lower your cholesterol, help prevent heart disease as well, which is the #1 leading cause of death in the United States, as we may know. So what else can I say, right? It's fiber, just straight fiber, and you can use it in baking as well. So these are some of my staple items that I use when I am making my vegan meals. So this is just some. I'll probably have another video on some other products that you also should have as well as a vegan. Maybe we'll go to the grocery store and do some stuff. Alright guys, so that's all the stuff that I love. And if there's some products that you use that you want to include in the comment section, go ahead and do so. I'm sure a lot of people would love to see it. I want to thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's free. Great recipes, healthy tips. You love it. I love it. Thanks for coming by Maxinescorner. I appreciate you. And say it with me. Stay healthy.